Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Swan Creek Road here in Newport, Michigan. We have a train coming, check it out, roll it. This is a southbound train. I don't know what this train is, but anyway, here it comes. Roll it. And do not speed through here, by the way. Everyone that is driving on the roads.
Well, I'm sure they all got the message. This is our Saturday night extravaganza, folks.
But anyway, here it comes. Roll it. Here it comes. Roll it.
One step to the right.
We have a red signal, folks, for heading north. By the way, my dad, take a look. Take a look over there. Cars are having to wait at Newport Road. See that? That train starts out in Detroit, Michigan, heads south to Toledo, Ohio, where it terminates. That train might actually terminate in Atlanta, Georgia, but I'm not sure. Anyway, on this Saturday, September September 27th of 2025 from CJ Compton on YouTube. The current time is 9:34 p.m. I am going to head to my dad's house now. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my videos a thumbs up. That will help my channel out a lot. I hope you all have a good night, everyone. I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope you all enjoyed. And that is it.